Welcome to Soothing Pod's Meditation. In this session, we'll approach change with gentle acceptance, acknowledging that all good things and bad things eventually pass. Find a comfortable seat. Adjust your body so that your spine is long. Your back and shoulders are relaxed. And you can gently rest your hands in your lap. If you haven't yet, slowly close your eyes. And in this moment, make the conscious choice to be present. Set the intention to keep your focus here in your practice, gently letting go of thoughts of the past or the future. Now direct your attention to your breath. Notice how your breath has a beginning and an end. Each inhale is distinct and different from the next. Each exhale is separate from the one that came before or the one that comes after. As you stay with your breath, notice how it changes again and again and again. And now, keep breathing and open your attention to the sensations that come and go in your body. Without seeking them out, feel into the physical sensations that arise. Perhaps you feel tension, and when you lean into it, it morphs a little bit. Maybe you notice a tingling in your hands or your feet, and as your attention rests there, the feelings change. Just allowing room for the shifting landscape of your physical sensations. Now, gently turn your awareness to your mind. Again, without forcing anything here, notice how your mind shifts in and out of thoughts. Images form and dissipate. Thoughts and perceptions arise and disappear. For the next few moments, stay with the ever-changing nature of your mind without clinging on to any particular thought or emotion. Simply observe what arises, as though watching clouds gently drift by in the sky above. As you acknowledge the impermanent nature of your body and mind, keep calling yourself back to your breath like an anchor. And if you become overwhelmed by the feeling of constant change, label your inhales and exhales. Breathing in, silently say to yourself, inhaling. Breathing out, silently repeat, exhaling. And now, gently soften your attention. We've all heard the familiar adage, the only constant is change. But just because change is inevitable, doesn't mean it's easy. Whether big or small, change can be uncomfortable or overwhelming, especially when it's unexpected. When life transforms in unpredictable ways, it's completely natural to feel resistance. Change can come with uncertainty, fear, doubt, and grief. But mindfulness offers us another option. When we observe our breath, our sensations, and our thoughts, we recognize their impermanent nature. When our breath starts and ends, we don't grasp onto it. In our meditation practice, we build acceptance, allowing our feelings and emotions to just be. Rather than clinging to what is pleasant or resisting what isn't, we make room for our experience just as it is. We allow ourselves to feel what we feel and then let it go. So, how do we apply this to life off the cushion? Our practice helps us build the capacity to accept and hold things exactly as they are. As we learn to stay grounded in the present, we are teaching ourselves to release clinging to the past or worrying about the future. Though change can still be challenging and uncomfortable, there is comfort in knowing that everything is impermanent. Though the beauty and ease may change and disappear, so will the hardship and sorrow. And remember, the more you practice, the easier it becomes to adapt to change. Let your meditation practice support you through the unpredictability of life. Let it hold you when you're overwhelmed or fearful. Let it guide you back to the present without judgment, becoming an observer to your responses, keeping your mind and heart open as you learn to navigate the currents of your life. Now, take a moment to notice your body in space. Become aware of the room around you. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Be gentle with yourself today, and we'll see you again tomorrow.